So Deepa came down at the last minute. She wanted me to make something to go to a party tomorrow. A last minute dessert idea. We're going to make an old-fashioned cake called a dump cake, where you dump in your fruit and then you pour a cake mix over top and then you cover it in butter. We'll be right back with the next steps. At this point, we have 3 1-pound or 21 ounce cans of apple pie filling. So 1 pound 5 ounce cans. So we took the cake mix, the moist spice cake, and then we just spread it evenly over top the fruit so there's no fruit showing. Now we add some butter to the top of it and we throw it in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour at 350 degrees. And now it's ready to go into the oven. And now we wait. And after about an hour and 15 minutes, this is what you come up with. And if you're taking it to a function and you're using a disposable pan, when you're taking it out of the oven, make sure you use the cooling rack to help support it, because they're very, very hot and very flexible and very flimsy, so you gotta protect yourself from getting burnt. But there you go, a dump cake, apple, cinnamon, and a spice cake.